In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete notes on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin. And first off, open up Instagram app, then get into your DMS. And that's where you can create notes. To do that, just hit add that to plus sign, and then just create a note. And then after the note is a share. You can just by tapping on that note's text. Delete it. Just tap on the text and then hit add delete note. That's how you can remove notes on Instagram. So, now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Also, I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.